Less than P data end equals 554 data start equals 72 greater than. Hey everyone, just giving you a serious weather update that's been unfolding here in Maryland. And especially if you're in Cecil County or anywhere on the Eastern Shore, it's one to pay close attention to. Tonight has been declared an less than M data end equals 319 data start equals 308 greater than alert day. And that means this isn't your everyday storm. The National Weather Service has issued a less than strong data end equals 446 data start equals 410 greater than tornado warning for Cecil County less than, strong greater than, and this warning comes on the heels of a whole lot of weather drama we've seen throughout the state today. Less than C data end equals 933 data start equals 556 greater than. Let me break it down. The afternoon started off deceivingly calm. We actually had sunshine in parts of Baltimore and surrounding areas earlier today, which might have felt great at the time, but actually helped fuel a volatile atmosphere. That warmth laid the groundwork for strong thunderstorms. And sure enough, as the evening rolled in, so did some serious weather conditions. Less than EP data end equals 1343 data start equals 935 greater than. We're talking about multiple tornado warnings, not just watches. Tornado watches were expanded earlier this evening to cover a huge portion of Maryland, including western areas, and up through the D.C. metro. And now, it's turned real for Cecil County. The storms have been racing through Howard County, Baltimore, and moving northeast with intense rainfall, high winds, and yes, the potential for tornadoes. Less than P data end equals 1760. Data start equals 1,345 greater than. Flooding has already caused major issues. Down in Anne Arundel County, water got so high it caused an electrical spark in a home in Annapolis, forcing people to evacuate. The Red Cross is helping those displaced, but there's no clear timeline on when they can return home. In Baltimore, nearly 500 customers are in the dark tonight due to power outages from downed lines and tree limbs, and that number could grow. Less than TEEP data end equals 2135 data start equals 1,762 greater than. Flash flood warnings are still in effect for many areas, and even though there's a brief dry period expected around midnight, don't let your guard down. Another band of showers, this one with gusty straight-line winds up to 50 miles per hour, is expected to move in overnight, especially between 2 and 3 a.m. So we've got a less than strong data end equals 2108. Data start equals 2078 greater than wind advisory until 6 a.m. less than, strong greater than on top of everything else. Less than P data end equals 2544 data start equals 2137 greater than. For those wondering about the weekend, yes, there is a bit of relief on the way. Tomorrow, some sunshine may peek through early, but scattered storms are expected again in the afternoon. These shouldn't be as widespread or severe as today's storms, but a few strong cells can't be ruled out. By Sunday though, we're looking at sunny skies and temps in the low 70s. A well-earned break after all this chaos. Less than SEEP data end equals 2877 data start equals 2546 greater than. If you're in or near Cecil County tonight, please take this tornado warning seriously. Stay indoors, away from windows, and have a safety plan ready. If you have access to a basement or interior room, use it, and keep your phone charged with alerts turned on. WBAL TV's app and NOAA weather radio are great tools to stay informed. Less than P data end equals 2964 data is last node equals data is only node equals data start equals 2879 greater than. Remember, alert days are issued for a reason, to protect lives. Stay safe everyone.